So I made a tool here that right now I'm on my website for my deck restoration company. And we're just going to scroll down here to my lead form. And so as we're going to see, we just have some information on the lead form, and then we can just hit get your quote. And what we can see happen is, so I have my phone here. It's currently 1 in the morning, and when I hit get quote, we can see here that right now I'm currently getting a phone call. And so let's answer this and see what happens. Hello?
Hey, is this Daniel?
Yeah.
Great. Hey, it's Henry from Olson Stain Company. I saw you filled out the form on the website for your deck.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just giving you a call here to learn more about the project. Is now a bad time?
No.
Great. I've got a couple questions here for you. Should only take a couple minutes.
Gosh.
Here's the first question. What kind of project were you looking to have done?
Yeah, so I have a deck that needs to be
Go ahead.
probably stripped down and then maybe stained.
Got it. Now you have a deck that needs stripping and staining. Typically, most projects run from $2,000 to $5,000. Is that roughly how much you wanted to invest into your project?
Yeah, I'd guess it'd probably be around like 4 grand.
Around 4 grand. Got it. Are you the homeowner, or is there someone else who owns the home?
I am the homeowner.
Great. You're the homeowner. Let's say we give you an estimate and you want to move forward. Is there anyone else who would need to be involved in moving forward?
Uh, I'm I'm the only person.
Got it. You're the only person involved? Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's get you on the schedule for a quote appointment.
Yeah.
My soonest availability is Tuesday, June 6th at 9 a.m. These appointments typically run about 30 minutes. Does that work for you?
I can't do the morning. Can you do afternoon?
Sure. Would Tuesday, June 6th at 2 p.m. work for you?
Could you do 3 p.m.?
I can offer you Tuesday, June 2nd at 2 p.m. or Wednesday, June 3 at 9 a.m. Which one works better for you?
Okay, let's do the 2 p.m.
Perfect. Thanks for your time, Daniel. I appreciate you answering my questions.
Yeah.
Perfect. You're all set. Thanks for your time. Have a good one.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
So, as you can see there, we filled out the form on the website and we got a phone call, and that was all AI. And so, yeah, that's pretty much the tool I made. And now let's go jump into how it works. So what we're looking at here is we've got on the screen. So I have all of my, these are going to be like my audit log. And so each one of these is an action. And so we can scroll down here, and these are all of the actions that AI makes. And so this AI is specifically a sales development rep. And so it's going to be calling leads, following up with leads with the goal of getting something on the calendar for leads that are qualified. And so if we click on the call that we just had, that's our most recent one. And I'm going to minimize myself here. But basically, so a couple things that we can see here. So first thing is we have the recording, so we can listen back to how the AI went. And then we can also see the transcript. And so we see where the AI spoke, where I spoke. That's pretty much that. And then from there, we can see we have qualifying questions. And so when I'm setting up the agent, what I can do is I can give it rules on here's how we're going to qualify the leads, here's the questions you're going to ask, and then here are examples of passing answers and failing answers. And so we can set it up so that way, let's say you have 3 out of 4, you pass the rules, then we'll qualify you and book you, right? And so we can see here's the question to ask. So what kind of project were you looking to have done? And I said, yeah, so I have a deck that kind of needs to be stained, probably stripped down and stained. And so then the AI thought, okay, this is a pass because this is work we can actually do based on the examples. And we can see it got 3 out of 3 qualified. And then if we look right here, it did schedule us a quote appointment for June 2nd at 2 to 2:30. And so I tested this earlier and I had one for 3. And so that's why I wouldn't want to book me for 3. But if we go to my calendar, we can see, okay, perfect. On Tuesday, we have one here at 2:30 and I have one here at 3. And so we can see that it properly did book there, right? And so that's just about a gist of what the agent can do for me. Now let's go into setting it up. So for agent setup, the way it looks like is we're going to give it a script, right? And so we can give it our opening. And so this just can be whatever we want, nothing too crazy. And then from there, we have some qualifying questions. And this is where the magic happens. And so as I was talking about earlier, we're going to qualify the lead based on these metrics that we can create. And then the AI will have some training examples here. And so we can say these are pass, these are fail, and it will categorize it. And then at the end, we can basically tell it, this is how we're going to do closing. And so it's pretty chill. So that's the gist of the software, specifically the AI sales development rep that I made. If that's something that you think was interesting and you want to see more of, or it's something you think you could use in your business, just check the link below and I'll put a link there and you can try it out for free, or you can comment what your thoughts are.